Assalamualaikum. Mamang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my name. I am Amara Fadia. I am in 9A class. Today I will explain about procedure text. How to make fried nuggets. This is for English assignment. Let's check it out. Goal is how to make fried nuggets. The material is nuggets, oil, chili sauce, rice, and mayonnaise. And the tools is stove, frying pan, and spatula. Firstly, prepare your materials and tools. Secondly, pour oil into the frying pan. And turn on the stove. Wait until the oil is hot. Third, put the nuggets in the oil and cook until cooked, stirring. Next, prepare a plate of rice, then drain the nuggets and put them on a plate. Finally, add chili sauce, mayonnaise, and fried nuggets are ready to eat.
Agus lapar, Bu.
This is fried nuggets made by me. Thank you for watching.